Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to draw on photos on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. You have two options to draw on photos. The first one is Files by Google app. You can find it in the app drawer. Over here you can go to Images, choose the image that you want to edit, press this button over here in the bottom right corner, go to Markup, and then over here you have a pen, you have a highlighter as well, and of course you can also generate the text. You can press Done, Save Copy, and there we go. Then if you go back, you should be able to find your photo over here. And another way is by using the gallery. In the gallery, you can also choose a photo that you want to edit. Press this icon over here with this pen. And then here you should be able, in basic, you should be able to find doodle. And then you can start drawing. You have a line as well. You can draw a straight line if needed. You can even draw a square. You can choose the color over here. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. We have a circle, we even have an arrow, which is pretty cool. Of course, we can readjust these elements as well, so it's not like you have drawn them and it's done. You can reposition them and so on and so forth. You can remove them as well. You can tap on the drawing and tap X. And once you are done, you can simply press this check in the bottom right corner. And after that you can press save. However, keep in mind that you can also change the quality, so before you do that you can tap on quality in the middle at the top and switch, for instance, to best, and then we can go and save. And there we go. Keep in mind that the photo will not be visible right at the top like the first photo in the list. It will be right next to the original one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!